Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can off touch sounds like this. How you can just off this touch sounds. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings option and there is a sound and vibration option. Swipe down, you can see there is a touch sounds. You have to disable this, and friends, now you can see there is no touch sounds. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.